Welcome back to Apple Bold. On this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free trial of Spotify on your iPhone or iPad in 2025. And I'll be breaking down all the details to make sure you understand how to do this legally and safely. So, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is open the Safari browser on your iPhone or iPad. Once you're in Safari, type in appdb.to in the URL bar and hit enter. Once you're on the appdb website, you'll need to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. You can do this by tapping the sign up button in the top right corner. Enter your email address and complete any verification steps. You'll be prompted with a profile installation pop-up. Tap on Allow and it will ask you to go to your Settings app. Once in Settings, tap on Profile, downloaded at the top of the screen, then tap Install in the top right corner. Once the profile is trusted, you're ready to start downloading apps. Just return to the App B icon on home screen. After that, click your device model, then click Configure Features. Ensure the free certificate is available. If is not, you have to wait or buy a private service from appdb. Then go back to Home, then search Spotify app. Click that and install. Wait a few minutes to install it. After installation, the app will appear on your home screen, and you can open and use the Spotify. Log into your account, then you get the free trial. And that's it. You've got your free trial of Spotify Premium on your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching this video, and see you next time.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand.